Hi everybody, and comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and we're off in a minute.
Okay, Paul, are you ready? Watch for the lights. Green, 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 green. Left side. Left. Clear left. Clear on the left. Good start, mate. Nice one. Right side. Clear right. Clear on the right. Hill is getting closer. The gap is now 0.5. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Adams is leading the race. Right side, clear on the right. Park good, Troy. Park good. All he's doing is he's doing the cross the start lane. What are you talking about? So what are you blaming me for you? You're not driving. You know what to do. Did anybody else see what happened? Because I didn't touch you, man.
Well, I've had a cracking start. I'm sorry I haven't spoken, but I've been concentrating really hard. And here's another one. So, yeah, we've had a really good start. Let's just try to keep it up. I don't know where I'm at now. I ain't got a clue what my position is. But we've had a good start on the notorious Nürburgring. Hopefully he's in 5th gear up there, because if you hold it in 4th you're even faster. It's not good for your motor, it's not good for your fuel economy, but hey ho. I know there's some fast ones behind me. Oh, that's not good. You bastard. But he didn't know how to do the corkscrew.
The gap in front has increased to 6.0 seconds. The gap behind is now 2.4.
Nearly lost it there.
Sorry about that, Josh. Not meaning to do that, brother.
Sounds like we've had some crashing going on.
I mean to come across. I'm sorry about that.
If I can get a bit of draft from the bloke in front, we might be able to pull away a little bit from the lad behind. Harewood's behind and Jang Yong's in front. Let's get over here so I can try to watch him move. I know the one behind ain't got me, well, I don't know, he might have a little bit of slipstream because he's caught up 2 temps. 3 temps, so he's catching me. Let's get out of here, let's make him move.
Yeah, bro. Good.
P4, 2 to go. Only 2 laps of fuel left.
I've got my car set up so it's quite stiff, so if it goes, it'll be gone. So it's trying to make it as smooth as possible. Don't do it silly.
The gap in front has increased. It's now about 6.3.
I hope you try. Fancy going for an overtake there. I mean, Simon's great. He's supposed to be out the race. What's an idiot?
The gap to Hill behind is now 3.1 seconds.
Should have got a better drag out of that because I went into 5th earlier. I have 3.1 now from 2.6. Because cargo's light over here. Brake hard down to 3rd, don't go wide. Get on the power as early as you can. Down the hill stretch. Don't jump too high in gears. I think that's the best I've ever got round that, so I'm happy with that. He's still there. 3.6 seconds behind. Shouldn't have took my foot off there. Dabbing a bit. It's catching me up a bit on these bits. Got a couple of attempts on him there. Personally couldn't have gone quicker there. Maybe a little bit quicker there. Catching the bloke in front.
Hill behind is now 3.4 seconds.
No, it's not, Jim. It's 3.1. I'm watching me relative. So you're all right. If he changes into 5th though, which he has done in front, he's now on 4.5, 4.4 in a minute, 4.4. Can't change gear on this. You've got to hold it in 4th. It's faster. And Howard behind's doing the same thing because he ain't dropping a second. Can he do the carousel? Whoa, wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. I did actually catch some time up on him there, but I messed up the carousel.
Alright, Paul, gaining on this car. The gap is 3.0 seconds.
If I can catch him, get behind him on the main straight, I can draft him. And at this distance I'll be able to draft him. Made a mistake there. And again, he's making loads of mistakes now because I'm behind him.
Fuel, we should be able to make it to the end.
Loads of mistakes now. He'll make a mistake in a minute because this next one you have to slow down for. Got away with it. Carousel again. Oh, I did. Ooh. Nice miss, Howard. Sorry about that.
Thanks, Paul.
Pass left. Pass left, buddy.
Ross, it's closing in. The gap is now 0. 3-0.
Right side, next time I hit straight.
Left side.
Got a car on the left.
Clear left.
Clear.
The leader's just done it. 8:19.5. Don't let him get away. Okay, Paul. The next car is Ross. B6. One more lap to go. We're halfway home. We estimate 1 laps of fuel remaining.
Well, I got drafted there. Let's put him under a bit of pressure in a minute. Unless he's quicker than me. Got another lad behind me, so I might lose 2 places here. It's going to get tight, this is. Let's hope we don't get taken out. Oh, so sorry, buddy. Sorry. Sorry. I'm really sorry about that.
Come on, Paul. Nicely done.
God, I'm really sorry, buddy. Sorry. Oh, my car's really slow now.
Ross, closing the gap. It's now. On your right.
All right. Clear right.
Clear. Come on, push like a bastard. We'll get this guy.
I'm trying, Jim, but my car's bollocks now. I'm going to lose loads of places. That's me flat out. 97 mile an hour instead of 120. Oh, that's crap.
You're gaining on this guy. The gap's now 1.1 seconds.
I don't know what you're looking at, Jim, but I'm bloody not gaining on anybody now. All I've got to do is make it to the end. I'm 6th at the minute, so I was actually... Oh, my hot car's handling like a bag of poo.
Question, can you change the gear on these cars? This is the first time I really drive them on this track.
Oh, I'm so injured. But these bits aren't as fast.
On these cars, you set up. Somebody knows the answer, I guarantee it.
Got to make sure nobody's behind me down the straight, because that's where they'll catch me. Especially the one behind, 5.5 seconds. He can catch me on the straight. God, it's so slow. Don't slow down, poor throat. Don't know how the hell I'm getting away from the car behind, but I am. I am flat out. That is awful. I've got some serious damage going on. I hope this don't get worse while I'm driving. That's nearly flat out now.
Oh, that, we need to let you start to out the race, mate. That's why I backed off. You want to win, you carry on.
That didn't help. The car just won't turn. Ain't got far now, but he's 3.5 seconds behind, so he might catch me. Make the best of it. Oh God, that's me flat out.
And that's how you race there. Good job, man.
Oh, that was good stuff.
Well, that's how you race there, isn't it, bud?
Pass left, right, Florin. I'm injured. Pass right, Florin.
Only one iracing. Time on there.
Bloody hell, flat out in fourth. They're all catching me. 1.17. I ain't got far to go. Come on, just hold them back. That'll be it now. I'll be able to make it now.
Yellow flag, caution.
You may notice a transmission as well.
Well, I've got to be honest, that was a mishmash of good race and crap race. So, had a bit of everything, that did. But it was my own fault why my car got broke. So, I can't blame anybody else. And I lost loads. I lost 4 places due to that. God. Oh. I think I was down to 4th at one stage. Here we go. Nürburgring results. Right. Strength of field 844. I ended up 11th. I ended up 11th and I lost 4 places, so I was 7th. Altogether, there was 23 in the field. We had 2 which was 1 lap down, 1 which was 2 laps down, and 3 disconnected, which they ended up with all the horrible bad points because they just didn't bother finishing. So I've ended up with plus, oh God, 0.01. Oh, my safety and stuff, and plus 14 on the other, so it is a plus. Not a very good one, but it is. So please comment and subscribe. Don't forget the subscription bit on YouTube, Tuby, please. And yeah, press the bell, notifications, and this last bit comes along. And what do I say? GoPro stop recording.